Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to React Tech, your go-to channel for tech tips, security insights and more. Today we're diving into a topic that concerns all of us, how hackers can get into your bank account and most importantly, how you can protect yourself. So, let's get started. In today's digital age, our money lives in the cloud. We access our bank accounts and manage our finances online. While this offers convenience, it also attracts those with malicious intent, hackers. They employ various methods to gain unauthorized access to our accounts and steal our hard-earned money. Understanding these methods is the first step towards protecting ourselves. Phishing, malware, social engineering, and public Wi-Fi risks are some of the most common ways hackers target unsuspecting individuals. These methods exploit vulnerabilities in our online behavior and technical defenses. By learning how these attacks work, we can take proactive measures to safeguard our financial well-being. It is crucial to remember that even the most sophisticated hacking techniques often rely on simple human error. By being aware of these threats and following basic security practices, we can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to these digital thieves. Phishing is a common online scam where criminals impersonate legitimate organizations to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information, such as bank account details or passwords. They often send emails or text messages that appear to be from a trusted source like your bank or a reputable company. For example, you might receive an email claiming there's a problem with your account and urging you to click a link to verify your information. However, this link leads to a fake website designed to steal your credentials. These fake sites often look identical to the real ones, making it easy to fall prey to the scam. Always be cautious when clicking links or opening attachments from unknown senders. It's best to directly visit the organization's official website or contact them through verified channels if you have any doubts about the authenticity of an email or message. Malware refers to any software designed to harm your computer or steal your information. This can include viruses, worms, trojans, and spyware. Hackers spread malware through malicious websites, infected attachments, or even compromised software downloads. Once malware infiltrates your device, it can operate silently in the background, recording your keystrokes, capturing sensitive data, or providing hackers with remote access to your system. Imagine unknowingly downloading a seemingly harmless app, only to discover later that it has been stealing your banking credentials. Protecting yourself from malware requires installing a reputable antivirus program and keeping it updated. Regular system scans can help detect and remove any malicious software that might have found its way onto your device. Section 4. Social engineering, deception, and manipulation. Social engineering involves manipulating individuals into divulging confidential information or performing actions that compromise their security. Hackers use psychological tricks and deception to exploit human trust and gain access to valuable data. For instance, a hacker might call you posing as a bank representative claiming they need to verify your account information due to suspicious activity. They might sound convincing and use urgent language to pressure you into revealing sensitive details. It's essential to remember that legitimate organizations will never ask for sensitive information over the phone or through email. If you receive a suspicious call or message, hang up and directly contact the organization through verified channels to confirm the request's legitimacy. Section 5. Staying safe in a digital world. Protecting yourself from hackers might seem daunting, but it doesn't require advanced technical expertise. By adopting some simple yet effective security practices, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to these digital threats. One crucial step is enabling two-factor authentication on all your online accounts, especially financial ones. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring not only your password but also a unique code sent to your phone or email to access your account. Furthermore, exercise caution when clicking links or opening attachments from unknown senders. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for sensitive transactions like online banking, as these networks can be vulnerable to eavesdropping. Regularly update your devices and software to patch security vulnerabilities. Remember, your online security is your responsibility. By staying informed and adopting proactive measures, you can confidently navigate the digital world and safeguard your financial well-being from the ever-present threat of hackers.